Now let's consider this question on simple interest. A sum of $800 is invested at a rate of 5% per year for 3 years. Calculate the simple interest earned. Before you calculate questions on interest, you must know two formulas. The first one is the interest, which is the I, equal to the P, which is the principal, times R, which is the rate, and then T, which is the time, over 100. And also the formula over here is used when you are calculating the total amount to be paid, which is the principal plus the interest. But in this question, we are going to use the first formula. So a sum of $800. Now the $800 invested is the principal. So the principal is $800 at a rate of 5%. Now the rate is 5% for 3 years, and the time, which is T, is 3 years. Calculate the simple interest in. Now let's write the formula over here, the same formula, which is I is equal to P times R times T all over 100. The I is the simple interest, so we can just write simple interest. Now let's substitute the values into the formula. The P is 800, the R is 5, and the time T is 3, all over 100. Over here, this 0 crosses out over this one. Now we have 8 times 5 times 3. 8 times 5 is 40, and then 3. 3 times 4 is 12, and then we add a 0, which will give us 120. So therefore, the simple interest earned is $120.